Welcome to my channel Meditation and Prayer. The remote point gazing meditation with prayer position. Prayer position Anjali Mudra is a sign of respect in India and among yoga practitioners. In the starting position, keep your body calm and relaxed. It is performed by pressing the palms of the hands together. The corresponding fingers are joined together with fingertips pointing up. The both hands are pressed together firmly and evenly. In the most common form of it, the hands are held at the heart chakra with thumbs resting lightly against the sternum. It is normally accompanied by a slight bowing of the head. As a special instruction, practice it with the remote point gazing meditation adeptly for harmonization. My name is Vikram Singh Basati. In this video, I am going to explain the topic, the remote point gazing meditation, more clearly in simple words. I hope the result will meet your expectations. To benefit yourself fully, watch this video to the end. If you like my video, press like button. It motivates me a lot. Subscribe to my channel and keep yourself in touch with me so that you get notification of subsequent videos in time without any delay. Like, comment and share. In this channel, I shed light on the nuances of meditation and prayer. The remote point gazing meditation, do Trataka, is the practice of steadily gazing on one point to increase concentration and calming the mind. It not only purifies the eyes, but also cures many general eye problems. Safety measures should be kept in view. While practicing the remote point gazing meditation, you have to keep in mind that this meditation must be done without stress. Use cold water or rose water on the eyes when they burn. Those people whose eyes are weak practice it discreetly. This practice is not as simple as it looks. It requires patience, self-confidence, and complete discretion. In the beginning, when you practice it, there are some changes due to which you suffer a little. Some people are able to balance it, while some are not able to balance it. When you start the remote point gazing meditation, either drying of eyes happens or excess water comes from eyes. In the beginning, the biggest problem is that either too much water comes from your eyes or the eyes dry up. Although this is not a big problem, yet it can create difficulty in other activities of the day. You should always start it with a point. If there is a problem of drying of eyes or excess water comes from the eyes, then practice eye exercises such as rubbing eyes with the thumb, washing your eyes with cold water after remote point gazing, and going for a little walk in the morning and evening. How to practice it? Let the remote point gazing meditation be performed as directed. First of all, sit in thunderbolt pose, Vajrasana, and relax your body. Sit with knees folded and keep the soles heels of the feet on both sides of the buttocks. The sitting position should be in such a way that the calves must touch the inner thighs. The lower legs, from the toes to the knees, should touch the ground, and the spine should be erect. Keep the knees close, touching each other, and not apart. Now relax the body and put the weight of the body entirely on the ankles. Put both hands straight on the knees. Keep the neck and head in one straight line. Keep your hands folded in front of your chest and your fingers in prayer position, Anjali Mudra. Focus your vision at a distant point in front of you. Keep gazing until you feel inconvenienced. Initially, you will feel your eyes burning a little. When this happens, you can shut your eyes and start gazing again. Enter into pranayama by practicing slow and deep breathing through the nose. Try to concentrate on the breathing by observing the inhalation and exhalation processes. Focus on the slow and rhythmic breathing through the nose. This will calm your mind. Keep your spine erect and your body relaxed while breathing deeply. It is considered a new thought is born with each breath. You know that when breath is controlled, thoughts are controlled too. Simultaneously do pratyahara by the practice of turning the mind to introspection by voluntarily shutting out distractions provided by the senses. You are advised to control your five senses. Do not pay attention to external distractions. Ignore the thoughts and stimuli except your point of focus. Perform at least one round of 10 deep, gentle breaths initially. With repeated practice, you will be able to perform more and more such rounds smoothly. At the time of releasing the remote point gazing meditation, inhale a deep breath through the nose and exhale it through the mouth to come out of this stage. Take another similar breath and release it, moving to the next stage. Take one more similar breath before the start of the next stage. To improve your meditation skills, read and recommend Basati's meditation ebooks. These ebooks cover almost all aspects of meditation and prayer comprehensively. In these ebooks, the secrets of meditation and prayer are revealed through exposure to both theoretical and practical aspects. Rest assured that you will get your money's worth many times over by equipping yourself with the necessary knowledge from these ebooks. When you have these ebooks, you don't have to wander in search of knowledge. Ebooks provide flexibility, affordability, and innovative features that align with the digital lifestyle, making reading more accessible and enjoyable. So try these precious ebooks at the first opportunity. Hurry up, avail 40% discount. Find the link in description. Now we are going to discuss the benefits of practicing the remote point gazing meditation. The main benefit of the remote point gazing meditation is that it purifies your eyes. Normal eye disorder ends. Therefore, it is a very beneficial meditation for eyes. Out of the main five senses, sight is arguably the most powerful. With your eyes, you can perceive objects and landscapes miles away without actually being there. Indeed, 80% of all sensory data you process comes through your vision. After the brain, your eyes are the most complex organ in the body, containing more than 200 million working parts. They are also the fastest muscle in your body and can function at 100% at any given moment without needing to rest. While practicing the remote point gazing meditation, you also get the benefits of thunderbolt pose. It regulates blood circulation in the lower pelvic region. Sitting on your legs reduces the blood flow in the legs and increases it in the digestive area, therefore increasing the efficiency of the digestive system. In addition to it, you benefit from pranayama, pratyahara, and prayer position. Both spiritual and worldly pleasures are attained. Prayer position, Anjali Mudra, is performed as a part of physical yoga practice with an aim to achieving several benefits. It is a centering position that helps to alleviate mental stress and anxiety and is therefore used to assist the practitioner in achieving focus and coming into a meditative state. Prayer is communication with God, and body positions or hand gestures can lend expressiveness to the conversation. The position that interlaces the fingers suggests a more introspective manner and possibly a more fervent frame of mind. When the palms are kept together and the fingers are stretched, it suggests purity and evokes an act of homage. The joining together of the palms is said to provide connection between the right and left hemispheres of the brain and represents unification. This unification is symbolic of the practitioner's connection with the divine in all things. Hence, performing the prayer position, Anjali Mudra, is an honoring of both the self and the other, as the gesture acknowledges the divinity of both practitioner and recipient. The combined practice of Trataka, remote point gazing, and Anjali Mudra, prayer gesture, synergizes focus and devotion to cultivate a balanced inner climate. Trataka, by training the eyes to fixate on a single point. Example Gatia, a candle frame, sharpens concentration, calms the mind and stimulates the third eye, Jnana Chakra, enhancing intuition and mental clarity. Anjali Mudra, with palms pressed together at the heart, harmonizes dual energies, masculine, feminine, solar, lunar, fosters humility, and centers prana, life force, inward. Together they bridge the mind and heart. Tatka's disciplined focus merges with Mudra's reverence, balancing the analytical clarity and emotional serenity. This union purifies distractions, strengthens willpower, and aligns the practitioner's spirituality, creating a foundation for deeper meditation, self-awareness, and inner harmony. The union of Trataka and Anjali Mudra is a holistic practice that merges sharp focus with heartfelt devotion. It refines the mind, opens the heart, and aligns the practitioner with the sacred unity of existence. By integrating these techniques, one cultivates not only clarity and discipline, but also the humility to recognize the interconnectedness of all life, an essential step on the path of self realization. I hope this video meets your expectation and it adds to your knowledge and practice. Rest assured, you will always be gaining from my videos. Like my video. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do it now. Now like and subscribe to Meditation and Prayer. It means a lot to me. Thanking you for watching this video.